When your dog is overly excited to see someone they know. We have already started working on controlled greetings inside the house, and this is our first session putting it into practice outside.
If you want, you can try to redirect her.
I often hear people ask, what do I do if the dog calms down, but gets excited again? The answer is, try again. And again. And again. Your patience must last longer than your dog's stubbornness, willfulness, or excitedness. This is why you practice by setting up scenarios so that when this actually happens in real life, you are both prepared.
Approach her and just, pat her gently under the neck. If she jumps up, just back away and,
Okay, cool.
Thank you. Good girl. Sit. Okay. Good girl. Sit. Oh, there's a good girl. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh.
Wow, your dog is so cute. Can I say hi?
1 second. Just want her to be calm. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Stay. If you want, you can just gently pat her under the chin. And if she jumps up, just back away. Sit. Stay seated. Sit. Sit. That's a good girl. Oh, so excited.
Okay, very good. Good.